Grade the same way twice and show families exactly how. Build a rubric. In the Learning section of the sidebar, click Rubrics. Click New Rubric or add Starter Rubrics for ready-made ones you can edit. Name it and say what kind of work it grades. Levels are the columns, best first. 4 come ready. Rename any of them or add level for one more. Criteria are the rows. While you're judging, name the first, add criterion for each one after, and weight the ones that count double. Create rubric, done. Attach it to any assignment from the gradebook. Don't see rubrics? The module ships off, and admin ticks it under Settings, Modules and Campuses, and saves. Same bar for every child, every time.